Hey everybody, CJ here with Muxboard, and today we're going to do something a little bit different. Normally on this channel we talk about Muxboard products like the quick split, the quick lever connectors, custom slats, even some direct connect slats for things like Fire One or Starfire. And if this is something you're interested in, you're going to want to get a hold of me this off season. I got something I'm working on. And then also we like to do custom colors with company logos and stuff if that's something you're interested in. But today we're going to do something a little bit different. So let's clear off some space and we'll get right to it. Today we're going to do a little bit of an unboxing and a first impressions video of what I have in here. Your first clue what's in here is it came from Romania. So let's get it open. So before I open this, I do want to say that I paid for this with my own money. It was not given to me or anything like that. So these opinions are going to be mine and not somebody else's. So let's take a look. Alright, so we got a couple of keys. Looks like a USB-A to USB-C cable, a USB thumb drive, antenna, and what we got here is the new FTQ-99Sx from fireTEK. So let's take a bit of a closer look. So first things first, let's take a look around the outside and see what we've got here. So you can see here is the new color display. First things first, some of this is going to bother you, but that's got to go. I can't stand having those on there. And I'll be honest, I am not familiar at all with the fireTEK ecosystem or anything, so this is all new to me. So you can kind of take a look here. This is thinner than the modules, but very similar construction. You got the PCB enclosure type construction. So take a look at these buttons. Buttons feel like some sort of a rubber membrane. We'll take a look at that in a little more depth later. Look at the back. Looks like we got some legend, disclaimer, FCC ID. That's good to see. And some little adhesive rubber feet. I guess we'll see if those hang on or not. And then up here on the top, we've got our time code connector, power button, audio out, USB charge, USB Type-C. That's a good thing to see. I'm of the opinion I don't really buy anything that is not Type-C anymore. And then it looks like our SMA antenna connector comes with a nice safety or a little protective cap, so that's cool. So what do you guys say we turn this on? It's like a soft touch power button, so it's not a big clunky switch or anything like that. So we'll take a look here. You can see this is shipped with the 0.5B firmware. I will say, after purchasing this, Larian contacted me and sent me updated firmware. I have not loaded it. Presumably I will be using the provided USB thumb drive, which is a nice little get. So you can see here this is going to be USB Type A for the PC, USB Type C for the controller. So we'll probably be doing that probably on another video. So obviously I don't really know what I'm doing or anything, but you can kind of see here we've got the color display. I don't know how easy that's going to be to see on there, but there's a lot of information on there, and I am not real sure what all I'm looking at just yet. Can see comes with a pretty decent charge. I don't know how long this was sitting, but it didn't completely discharge itself, so that's cool. Got our key. I don't know if this is going to do anything. That lock is something. Okay, so you can see. Also on, yeah. I don't really know what else to do with this right now. I do have a module, but I have not played with it yet. We've got some more videos coming on this. This is going to be just a bit of a teaser. One of the future videos is going to be uploading firmware, see how easy that is. We're also going to tear this thing down. I can't own equipment like this and not take it apart and see how it ticks inside. So we're going to see what it takes to get inside here. Looks like it'll be pretty easy. Some Allen head screws, and I'll bet this PCB enclosure just starts to fall apart and we can get a better look at what we got going on under the hood here. Overall, feels pretty good in the hand. I'd say the corners are a little sharp, but otherwise it's pretty stout. Seems like it's pretty well built. We'll see about this display. I don't know, not so sure yet. Gonna have to come up with a way to protect that. I'm usually pretty rough on my gear and throw it in a bag, so we'll see how that goes. If anybody's got any questions, leave them down in the comments. Also, if you want to see more about this, other firing systems, I plan on getting to some others this off season after the 4th of July. But hit that subscribe button down below and give this video a like if you want to see more from FireTEK. And I will talk to you guys later.